Rachel Bush isn't just a social media personality. She is a pioneer of the influencer entrepreneur era.
I never answer to no, man, I still go, 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 go.
Rose to prominence through high-profile modeling and social media growth, quickly amassing millions of followers.
Still I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, 'cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain.
Unlike many viral stars, Bush has maintained her relevance for nearly a decade, starting on Instagram in 2016, a feat in the fast-paced digital economy.
With the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.
As the wife of NFL star Jordan Poyer, she managed to bridge the gap between sports media, the high fashion industry, and swimwear.
Go, 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 go.
She has worked with premier agencies and currently operates as a powerhouse independent brand.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across.
She dominates the swimwear and fitness niches, which are among the highest paying sectors in modeling due to the frequency of product launches and high consumer demand.
You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase.
A key part of their success is their own brand. Rachel is the founder of Leela Natural Skincare. She has collaborated with or been seen representing high-end names like Versace, Gucci, and Fashion Nova, as well as niche luxury swimwear brands.
You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night.
She focuses on high-frequency lifestyle brands, often promoting wellness, beauty, and luxury travel.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late.
With over 4 million followers on Instagram, industry standards suggest she can command anywhere from $10,000 to $40,000 per sponsored post. Her wealth comes from a combination of modeling contracts, promoting luxury brands, income from her skincare brand, real estate, and investment projects. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the lifestyle of the most beautiful and successful women. See you in the next video.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look